voeten in de aarde gehad, zoals iedereen wil weten. Initiatiefnemer, één van de initiatiefnemers van de brug. Hier aanwezig zijn ook 2, 1.
Oh, daar gaat hij.
The technology we use for the bridge, for printing the bridge, is actually the technology we developed ourselves. It's a combination of welding equipment and a robot. We combine them together. Those are two off-the-shelf parts. But what we actually develop is the software that's driving the whole system, and that's turning it into a 3D printer. So the whole technology, in a way, is completely new. You could say that the design of the bridge is based on the technology. The technology has specific characteristics. You can look at complexity in a completely different way because it's robots working with on digital data. You can go completely crazy with the design. You can do whatever you want. So, and that's why this design we could have printed a standard bridge, but that wouldn't make sense at all, right? I mean, if you just take a beam and you put it over the water, you have a bridge, right? And it's hard to beat that. So it wouldn't really make sense printing it. But if you want to have a really highly decorated bridge or a really aesthetic bridge, suddenly it becomes a good option to print it because it's not just about making things cheaper and more efficient. For us, it's about giving architects and designers a new tool, very cool tool, in which they can rethink the design of their architecture and their designs.
Vroegen ze toch om hier aanwezig te zijn.
Well, there are sensors placed inside, underneath the bridge, which will document how many people pass it at any given moment. So that will help us to think about how people behave in the public space, but also how our bridges and our canals will wear down because of those people. So it gives us a lot of insight. Yes, we're really looking at the balance between livability on the one hand and visitors and enterprise on the other hand. So we're looking at how to keep it livable for the people who are here. This may attract a new kind of visitor, one who is more interested in architecture and design, which will help change the way the neighborhood is perceived. More of something you want to visit, but visit respectfully than it has been over the few last decades.
Why are you can print it?
Ja, maar ook waanzinnig hoor.